Hi, Crafty Angels and everyone. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with your weekly devotional for day 32. Okay. It's called Love Notes. Imagine all the singing and the worship to God that takes place every day on our planet. Start with at Greenwich, England, where each new day begins, and as the earth rotates, new waves of worship burst forth with each time zone. This means there is singing and praise to God being heard from all around the world throughout the entire day. Oh, the pleasure. This must bring His Majesty, especially on Sundays. The next time you start singing, whether in the shower, in your car, or in church, you are joining the great choir of the masses and blessing the heart of the one who is in the heavens. Be assured, He hears and loves every note. Psalms 96:1. Oh, sing to the Lord a new song. Sing to the Lord, all the earth. Psalms 108:1. I will sing praises with the whole of my being. Psalms 144:9. To you, my God, I will sing a new song. I will sing your sweet praises. 1 Chronicles 16:23. Sing to the Lord, all the earth. Proclaim His salvation from day to day. The prayer for the day for day 32 is, Father in heaven, I lift my voice to you today to praise and worship you as my Creator, my Redeemer, my Savior, and my friend. My heart is full of song for you. And this concludes day 32. And I will see y'all next week for day 33. Please be blessed, be kind, and be positive. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye for now.